Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I am going to cook Golda Chingri roast or fresh giant lobster roast in Indian style. So for this I have taken onion, ginger, green chili and few strips of coconut. I'm going to grind all of them. Here I have taken 5 prawns and I will be taking 1 medium sized onion, 1 inch ginger and 2 or 3 green chilies according to your taste, and I will be marinating the lobster with this, and then I will be adding 1/4 cup of curd or yogurt. Now while the prawn is getting marinated, let's start our cooking. 10 minutes of marination is more than enough. Now here I have heated a pan. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoonful of vegetable oil or any white oil and 1 teaspoonful of ghee or clarified butter. To this I'm adding garam masala. You can add whole garam masala also, and 2 green chilies for the aroma. Now I will be arranging the marinated prawns without the marinade, and I will be frying them till they are pink from both the sides. Do not fry too much here, friends. This is a typical Kolkata style Golda Chingri roast. This is a wonderful delicacy from our old days kitchen, which is very easy to make. You can make this with the ingredients available in your kitchen easily. Now one side of the prawn has got pink and the other side will also turn pink. In between I will be adding the marinade. The remaining marinade I will be adding. Now after adding the marinade, arrange the prawns, the giant prawns. These are actually freshwater giant prawns. People call them lobster also. Now arrange them very carefully so that the head is not separated from the prawn. Now add a little bit of turmeric, a pinch of turmeric. This is optional to just give a rich color. You can avoid this also. Now fry them in low medium flame or medium flame, actually not no low medium flame, in medium flame, so that the marinade releases the water, the prawn releases the water, and then everything is absorbed again and it comes out to a very rich color. In the meantime, I have forgotten to mention, friends, I have added some salt or salt according to your taste to the marinade itself. Do not add salt separately because it will release more water, which will not be manageable. Now when it is nicely fried, the marinade is nicely coated to the prawn. To this I will be adding a little bit of garam masala and a pinch of ghee again. This ghee or clarified butter gives the shine to your dish and gives a lovely aroma also. Now your dish is almost ready. To this I will be adding few green chilies, slit green chilies, again to make it aromatic. Now serve this, friends, as it is, or you can have it with bread, with pulao. This is Indian style, so you can accordingly you can arrange with what you want to have it. Since, friends, if you all like my recipes, please do smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I hope my dish will get your love.